Hey YouTube, this right here is a 2023 FX Cruiser SVHO. I just bought it, and I was told by the salesman has the Connext system with GPS. Let me get it. Pretty cool, huh? GPS, whole 9 yards. So, you put on the GPS, no GPS signal. All right. Acquiring signal. Okay. So here you have a GPS signal, but it actually doesn't do anything. Because what the salesman did not tell me is right here, the screen tells you to get maps, you have to scan this QR code. So I scanned it, and it took me to, this is just a generic screen. I'm not in Panama City, I'm in South Carolina, and it doesn't change when you're riding. The northwest east, like nothing happens because it's not working. So I did some research, and apparently you have to buy a chip to get the GPS to work. They didn't give it to me with the $23,000 price tag. Nor did I get a fire extinguisher. And in years past in buying these, I used to get a fire extinguisher and a bunch of other things, but they did give me a life vest. But anyway, back to it. I had to purchase, I hit this QR code right here. All right, I scanned that with my phone with a QR reader, and it took me to a website called Innovation Maps. And on that list, you can buy, there's like 4 different map packages you can buy. The one for North America and parts of the Caribbean, like the Bahamas, and it kind of extends out a little bit, I think, to Turks and Caicos. Does the U.S., Canada, and I think Mexico too, like some Central American countries. But you have to buy that extra. So it's made by Innovation Controls, but the website brings you to Innovation Maps, and right there, it's $200 plus shipping. So, and this is what you get for your $200. You get that. It's a little chip. So I called the salesman up, got the chip, and him and his staff had no idea how to install it. They knew nothing about it. So I went ahead and I found on a website, it wasn't completely easy to find, but I found on a website that you have to install it behind this right here. So there's the panels in here. You can see the other one, I already took it out. You got to pop these tabs off, and then you can take the one side of the panel out, and there's 2 10mm bolts under there that have to come out. So I haven't taken it apart yet. Let's see if I can do it while holding. There's one. And there's 2. Oh, still doesn't want to come out. Oh, there's another panel here. Looks like it's an Allen key. All right, I'm gonna have to go find an Allen key that fits. Well, I do have a Torx, and the Torx fits, so I'm going to use that. Sorry, I'm working with one hand. So there's one there. Wow, how the heck do you gotta take this whole cowl off? The whole top? Wow, this is the dumbest thing ever. Yep, that one has a lock nut on the back. Alright, well, let me see if this tilts out or... Oh, maybe I could spin it in. Well, you can see right up inside there, there's like a little, up there, there's a little flip cover. Oh, there we go. Oh, there it is in the back. Well, you can get that out. So, all right, so back here, there's like this little thing that you can untwist, and supposedly that chip goes right inside there. Let me see if I can get it with one hand. All right. All right, I got it out. All right, see that USB port in there? All right, so that chip will go in there, and then you're supposed to be able to put this cover back on. Here's a chip. I'm gonna actually maybe if I take this harness out, I can get to it better. My hands are big. If you have small hands, you could probably do this a lot easier. All right, there it is, installed. Now let's see if it works. Doesn't feel like the cover is going to want to go back on. Yep. All right. Well, it went on. So I'm just going to put the harness back in. To get this harness, you got to push this in, and then flip the lever up at the same time, and make sure that the lever is back down below that little push clip there. But that's it. All right, let's see what we got. Well, that's not good. like that alarm. Engine communication error. Contact dealer. Well, the GPS seems to work. But I don't know if the engine's going to start. Oh. Sounds funny. Well, apparently it works, so I don't know if that was just an initial glitch, but it doesn't show you road maps or anything. I guess it's all just navigation stuff. So if you're stuck on a river somewhere and you need to get ashore and find out where the hell you're going, you better bring your GPS on your phone. But it's got depths and everything. It's got river depths. I'm out here by Myrtle Beach, so that's pretty neat. So I guess if something happens with my engine when I take it out, there's some kind of well, none of those warning things are on there now, so if something does happen, I'll make another video and update you on what to do. So what you do is when you first get your Yamaha, if they don't explain how to do it, or if the dealer doesn't give you the chip pre-installed, when you put on the GPS, it'll give you that little QR code, and then you download a QR reader on your phone, scan that little code, and then go to the website. And if you live in North America, you just buy the $200 one. It's like $199, and it works. So that's how you do it. All right, good luck.